This is Shifali Satsangi, founder and CEO of Funds Veda, which is a mutual fund distribution firm. We're based in Agra, but we have a pan-India footprint. The COVID pandemic has been a real challenge for us, physically, emotionally, mentally, and financially as well. However, there are certain valuable lessons that we can actually learn from it. Today, I would like to talk to you about a few basic investment lessons that we can actually learn from the measures taken to prevent coronavirus in order to remain financially healthy. So, I will be drawing certain interesting analogies between prevention of coronavirus and investments. Here's how. Number one, to avoid the spread of coronavirus, it is advisable to maintain social distancing. Similarly, one should maintain social distancing from the portfolio. So do not check your valuations every day. Do not frequently check your portfolio every day because it will only spread panic and fear in your mind. Second, staying home is the best way to stay protected from the virus. Similarly, staying invested can help us to win the war against the market corrections. Remember, corrections are temporary, growth is permanent. Third, keep washing your hands frequently and maintain proper hygiene and discipline. Exercise regularly to stay healthy. Similarly, keep investing via the SIP route regularly and keep disciplined and maintain a proper discipline to stay wealthy. Fourth, in case you have any kind of symptoms of the infection, do not try to self-cure. Please consult a doctor. Similarly, if you have any kind of a symptom of the market correction, fear of market correction, don't take any decisions on your own. Please consult an expert or an advisor. Fifth, they say prevention is better than cure. When it comes to your health, it is better to take all the necessary precautions than get ill and then trying to cure oneself later. Similarly, we should maintain an emergency fund or a contingency fund to fund our emergency needs rather than suffer because of lack of liquidity when you need money the most. Sixth, to boost up your immunity, to prevent the coronavirus, we need to eat a healthy and balanced diet, which includes everything: fruits, vegetables, lentils, pulses. Everything should be included in our diet. Similarly, to de-risk the portfolio, we need a healthy diversification and a balance among all the multiple types of asset classes in our investments. Seventh, we need to focus and follow the directions of the local health authorities, keeping away from any kind of a misinformation to minimize the risk of getting the virus. Similarly, we need to focus on our investment goals and keep away from any kind of noise or news in the markets. Last but not the least, we need to stay calm and patient during the stressful times and during the extended lockdown. Similarly, we need to stay calm and patient when it comes to long-term investing. Remember to invest your patience along with investing your money. Thank you and stay tuned for more interesting videos brought to you by your trusted brand, SBI.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.